The Intelligent Investor is a classic investment book written by Benjamin Graham, originally published in 1949. The book provides invaluable insights into the principles of value investing and has influenced countless investors, including Warren Buffett. The book is divided into several sections, each offering a comprehensive guide to investing wisely and avoiding common pitfalls. Part 1: Investment versus Speculation. Graham lays the foundation by distinguishing between investing and speculation. He defines speculation as seeking quick profits without a thorough analysis of underlying value. In contrast, investing involves a disciplined approach that focuses on the fundamental value of assets. Part 2: Investment Principles. Mr. Market. Graham introduces the analogy of Mr. Market to illustrate the market's emotional and irrational behavior. He emphasizes that investors should not be influenced by Mr. Market's daily price fluctuations but should instead base decisions on careful analysis. Margin of safety. Graham emphasizes that an intelligent investor should purchase stocks at prices significantly below their intrinsic value. This margin of safety protects against unexpected setbacks and market volatility. Market fluctuations. Graham advises investors to view market fluctuations as opportunities rather than threats. He promotes a long-term perspective, recognizing that over time, the market tends to reflect a company's true value. Defensive investor versus enterprising investor. Defensive investors seek security and stability through diversified portfolios of bonds and blue-chip stocks. Enterprising investors actively seek out undervalued opportunities, engaging in more in-depth research and potentially higher risk for higher rewards. Part 3: Analysis of Financial Statements. Income statements. Graham explains how to analyze a company's income statement to assess its profitability, earnings growth, and stability over time. Balance sheets. He discusses the importance of balance sheets for evaluating a company's financial position, including its assets, liabilities, and equity. Part 4: Portfolio Policy for the Enterprising Investor. Diversification. Graham advocates diversification to mitigate risk. However, he warns against owning too many stocks, as it can lead to dilution of returns and reduced focus on sound investments. Stock selection. Graham provides criteria for selecting stocks. He recommends focusing on established companies with a long history of stable earnings and dividends. Investors should avoid speculative companies with uncertain prospects. Part 5: The Investor and Market Fluctuations. Graham delves into the psychological challenges of investing during market fluctuations. He emphasizes that investors must remain disciplined and avoid making emotional decisions driven by fear or greed. Part 6: Investment Funds. Graham discusses the benefits and limitations of investment funds, including mutual funds. He suggests that while funds offer diversification, investors should carefully consider the fees and expenses associated with them. Part 7: The Investor and His Advisors. Graham advises investors to be cautious when seeking advice from financial advisors. He emphasizes the importance of finding advisors who have a fiduciary duty to act in the best interests of their clients. Part 8: Some Final Words. In the closing section, Graham underscores the value of ongoing education and learning from experience. He encourages investors to stay humble, avoid overconfidence, and understand the cyclical nature of markets. Throughout The Intelligent Investor, Graham emphasizes that investing is a rational, long-term endeavor that requires patience, discipline, and a focus on fundamentals. He advocates for a thorough analysis of financial statements, a margin of safety, and a keen understanding of one's risk tolerance. The book serves as a guide to building a successful investment strategy that aligns with individual goals and values while avoiding common pitfalls. If the book has captured your attention as it did mine, you'll find it ready and waiting for you. Just follow the link in the video description. Thank you for joining me on this literary voyage. Until next time, happy reading.